Leveraged loans, which kind of entered 2026 in like 65% of the market trading above par. That was just really kind of difficult technical. Today it's 20%. And that's in the last, 2 weeks, I think, since we had the breakfast. So yeah, really, really interesting dynamic, really interesting market to be in.
Mm-hmm. Well, whiplash, right?
Yes.
How quickly things change in 2 weeks in 2026. Yeah, I mean, from what we were talking about during the breakfast, there was just so much cash that was already in this area before this year started, right? In between new CLOs that were ready to get out and start buying, between inflows into ETFs, like the amount of cash that was left over at the end of the year after clipping coupons. So where were we at the start of the year? And then we had plenty of new paper that came in terms of the first kind of wave of LBOs, whether it's Hologic, whether it's McLean Power Systems, whether it's been too long. And I'm trying to put it all together.
Right. There was 35
Hillenbrand.
Yep.
For
exactly.
my Hillenbrand fans out there.
Yes, exactly. No, it was, we had 35 billion of new issue. The other thing we saw was 7 billion of CLOs called in January. So that's a pretty astounding number of calls, but it's reflective of, 65% of the market trading above par. If you're an equity investor and you're talking about it, maybe that's the right time to execute a call on your CLOs.